Having the right tools can transform your design workflow. Today, let's look at the best free tools for web designers in 2024 to help elevate your projects. 1. Figma is an essential design tool for creating mock-ups, UI/UX layouts, and prototypes. It's web-based and collaborative, so you can work with teams in real time and access projects from anywhere. 2. Color Hunt. Need a color palette? Color Hunt offers thousands of curated color schemes for every style. Whether vibrant or muted, it's a fantastic resource for choosing cohesive colors quickly. 3. Unsplash. For free, high-quality images, Unsplash is unbeatable. It offers a vast selection of royalty-free photos to use in hero images, backgrounds, and other design elements. 4. Google Fonts. Typography is key to any design, and Google Fonts provides hundreds of free fonts. With seamless integration, it helps you find the perfect font to match your project's vibe. 5. Font Awesome Need Icons. Font Awesome provides thousands of free icons to make your designs more engaging without cluttering up the visuals. These free tools give you top-tier design assets and features to enhance your work. Try them in your next project.